fun to find home and kitchen items that help us elevate the look of our home. Well, today I bring to you some of the many things that I received from Temu. Temu is a budget-friendly one-stop app where you can find all beautiful things at very affordable prices. Temu products have free shipping and free returns within 90 days. Upgrading the home can be done by tackling little corners here and there, and sometimes getting just the right kind of a thing turns the same space into a better version of itself. In an attempt to further organize my cleaning supplies, I found a great solution to easily access everything. A lot like my previous organizing tray, this one comes with an additional sticky back. The advantage is that sliding in and out has become super easy and the tray stays in place due to the sticky back. Since my present spray container is too tall relative to the area, I set out to find a more suitable alternative. These have simplified my life so much that I can keep the same spray in 2 different bottles if need be. With regards to the matter of how do you identify the solutions, I stumbled onto an incredible label maker that I had been eyeing for quite some time. The good thing is that we can personalize the labels with charming borders and a range of font styles. I chose this pink label maker. Isn't it adorable? I labeled my bottles in a vintagey sort of a font and border, and I was pretty happy with it. What's interesting is that this gives a lot more options for font styles, and I am yet to explore all that this one has to offer. But it sure is a machine that does it all. There is no dependency on batteries, so charge it once and you're good to go for a certain while. When we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. Each time we reached out for something, without realizing, our wet hands would leave a few droplets on the dish tabs kept in the open over here, under the sink. This box with the lid surely solves the issue for us. I am itching to show you all everything that I did to make small but effective changes in my home. Keep watching till the very end to see some cute kitchen bottles and organizers. I've always dreaded buying 4 plants since I never knew how they'd fit into my home, which is currently filled with real plant babies. But to my surprise, this olive tree turned out pretty impressive. If you're interested in trying out artificial plants but are reluctant to spend a lot of money just yet, this is a fantastic way to see how it goes under a budget. These are available in various sizes. Bigger versions are available too. I had restricted myself to only fresh plants all these years, and although there is nothing wrong in it, I also do believe in breaking the barriers every once in a while and giving oneself a fresh taste of newer things and perspective. This was an easy and budget-friendly way for me to do just that. I was curious to try out coordinated cushions because I had been intending to experiment with darker tones of cushion covers on my sofa. And because my picture frames had recently been changed from black to brown, this made complete sense. It would mean a lot to me if you would consider subscribing to the channel as a way to show your love and appreciation for Home Gupshup. A straightforward cream ceramic vase can never go wrong. I found a trio of small vases that have a beautiful texture on them. If you're not sure of what to buy or what style of vase works best for you, then these simple but elegant vases can do the trick. Place them all together if you like, or use them separately. It's a choice one can make. Entryway is where I would ideally place them if there is the right kind of setting available. This set, in my opinion, also makes for a nice gift this season. This completed the look on this side of the living room, and I couldn't be happier. Anyone familiar with the German recycling system will be aware of just how in no time so many plastic bottles get collected ready to be taken for return. One of the greatest solutions to hide all those bottles waiting to be recycled is this organizer, which comes in a small package and can be built in no time. When one of the two inner liner baskets is full, we can simply swap it out for the other since you get two of them. I like how it keeps the entryway looking clutter-free, and I secretly even use this to hide away anything that is usually lying as extra in the entryway area. Find this simple organizer using my code on the Temu app.
She has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost.
This really little organizer is one of my greatest find. It fits most of my belongings. If you're a minimalist, then this is the ideal choice. The rotating mechanism allows for a more comfortable reach. We all probably have our own special cabinets and ways of storing stuff like this, but this inexpensive organizer, which comes in a rainbow of colors, works rather well for a minimal storage solution.
Try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never.
Glass jars with wooden lids are a simple and low-effort solution to organize one's pantry or kitchen cabinets. The see-through pantry items provide much-needed color, and the wooden lids are of course a timeless style choice. It's a straightforward and uncomplicated method of styling. I got these bigger ones to store as usual things that come in large packages. And although I can see the contents, I think labeling sometimes is only done for aesthetic reasons. At least I don't mind going the extra step.
The only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go.
This wooden organizer was something I bought a while back. However, I decided it was high time to switch out the oil bottles with something more interesting and taller. These glass bottles with a spout-like top that collects all the drips so no stains on the bottom were on sale at Temu.
She's giving me these feelings that I've never.
I believe that the kitchen countertop, being such a warm and inviting area of the house, deserves more care than we often give it. So I got these two boards that go with the other side to spruce it up a little. I was thinking about going with a deeper wood tone as the new overarching color scheme this time. I want to eventually modify the spice box too, as it will match with the current setting. Even though this is a fundamental requirement, I think owning a laundry basket of a reasonable height with a lid attached will prevent you from having to bend over every time to remove your soiled clothes, thereby saving your back from straining. This one comes in a small package that you can open and put together quickly. It also comes with 4 sticks to straighten it, and you can iron to smooth out any wrinkles that remain.
Yeah, you 그 누구보다 사랑스러워. Yeah, you 찾아 헤매.
Any toilet roll package that has been opened will only have the remaining rolls sitting in a partially opened pack, gathering dust. Despite our best efforts to keep the toilet rolls neatly piled and prevent them from falling over, they were still an eyesore. This simple container not only keeps your rolls covered, but also makes it easy to see how many are inside.
너의 등장에 나 비로소는 더 다양한 세상의 색채.
I took a quick lunch break before moving into the last item for the day. I had made spring onion sabzi that came together in no time along with dal. A humble but comforting lunch plate that can immediately add the much needed energy that you need for the day. All the items I have shown so far and many others can be found on the Temu app by simply entering the code in the search bar. Temu is an all-in-one platform for budget-friendly things for home and related.
울려 퍼지는 기타 들려주고 싶어 내 진심을 다 이미 알고 있어 너의
With that, moving on to the last item for the day and my favorite one, and that is the elegant watering can for my beloved plants. It's a classy black kettle with a gorgeous wooden finish handle. I particularly enjoy the thin and small spout that lets me control the flow of water, especially in the case of indoor plants. Thanks a ton for watching all the way to the very end. It would mean a lot if you would consider subscribing to the channel. Here's Home Gupshup signing off. Until next time.
찾아 헤매